Good morning, traders. I hope everyone is well. Ingela Trainer here, bringing you the International Day Trading Academy's Nasdaq Insights. So let's have a little look at what the markets have been telling us. Looking quickly at the weekly, we have the market, as we've been observing for many weeks now, failing up at the 133, selling off. Big, strong seller candle. And today being Friday, we've only got a little bit of time left is the better way to put it, with regard to waiting for this candle to close. But at the moment, the market's finding support very close to that 76 weekly fib. So again, we also are coming through the trend line. That was actually turning red once the candle was coming down or trading near its current low. So let's see what happens today. But yes, it looks like we are likely shifting to a downward trend. So let's look at the daily chart. Forgot to say today is the 14th of May, 2021. You can see in the top left of my chart there. So daily chart, quite interesting. So again, that resistance on the high side, as we've been observing as normal. I just like to recap, guys, for people who are watching these regularly. But for people that step in, I just want to quickly always recap the markets, what we've been observing. So sideways consolidation, failed ABC pattern to the high side, step break short, giving clear indication the market's toppling, becoming overweighted with sellers. We've switched the trend. Retraced and closed an ABC pattern short, currently down into sitting on the weekly 76, which we observed on the last chart, slightly pushing down into the daily 133. So likely that we'll have a little bit of a reaction to the high side. We already did with yesterday's candle, but we do have room back to the MDI on the daily chart. So the market may momentarily stall on its way to continue downward. So the only other interesting information I found was on the 240. So for the Asia session, we need to kind of identify, even though on a daily chart, the market may be moving up overall, what does that translate on the 5-minute? So the 240 has had a failed ABC to the low side as it's sitting on that 76, broke the step. So the step is now up. And now we're just really sitting here up into the weekly 61.8. I did have some 4-hour price extensions, which the market has somewhat been honoring as it's been moving its way through here, but particularly more, it was the 76 from the weekly charts. So I've just kind of kept them on there, but it's the weekly fibs that the market's more honoring. So we're up into the MDI of the 4-hour. So we will probably find a little bit of resistance above the market. Actually, I will just double check the 60-minute and have a little look at that. I haven't seen that yet this morning. I just wanted to get this out and about real quick. Okay, so the trend is up. We've pulled back to the MDI and sort of really flattening out, aren't we, at the moment? We have a potential swing trigger long. So I feel like it could be a little bit of a mix. It's just more that we could have a bit more upward movement to go in the Asia session. But just remember, on the high side, there's that 4-hour 4-hour MDI that we need to be mindful of. Okay. All right, guys, stay safe in the charts. Make sure you keep your risk management in check and particularly balance out your risk to reward with your targeting and your stop loss. All right, guys, take care. Chat soon. Bye for now. Have a great weekend. See you next week.